Hello, Matt Heisler here, Vanderbilt Properties. And for today's drive around, we're going to take a lovely drive through scenic Orchard Village. This is an over 55 complex, so first floor masters are the norm. There are a number of two-car garages in this complex, and the units are pretty spacious for the most part. There are a couple of different floor plans and sizes in here, so not all the units are the same. But ultimately, this complex is pretty popular and can be a good fit for you if you're looking for one-level living.